Good morning and happy Vlogmas Day 16. For some reason, completely forgot I was vlogging. We woke up about 7. The kids came in, got our morning started in bed, just hanging out. I then came and made breakfast. I made some gingerbread, waffles, and eggs, and gave the kids yogurt. It's just pancake mix. I mixed cinnamon and syrup, and then I used my little gingerbread shaped waffle maker to make some waffles. And for me, all I had 2 waffles and some eggs, and I'm drinking my protein shake. So this is what the kids' plate looked like. I gave them some yogurt, eggs, and their waffles. And this is the little gingerbread dude. These waffles are actually really good. I mix it with milk, by the way, not water. Okay, I just want to give you guys a little reference as to how much milk I collect from my letdown. If you guys saw my vlog about the breast milk storing and everything, I cleaned out the container in my pitcher and then I started over as of the next morning. And so we have to buy more at the store today. And so it's only been 2 days, not even, it's been 1 full day. So yesterday, the 15th, and this is what my pitcher looks like already. So I'm already at 20 ounces and 24 ounces. And this is all just from the 15th. And so I still have until the 19th before freezing it. But as you guys can see, that's going to need to be frozen before I even hit the 4th day. So. Yeah. And then,
that doesn't go here.
No, because we're counting down. So we go after 10 comes 9. So put the 9. Where's the 9?
The 9. The 9.
That's 2.
The 9.
Yes.
Yeah.
She finished eating? Oh, you got your backpack too, Mama. You got your backpack, Ayla. Daya got his backpack. Ayla got her backpack. Cool.
Are you bringing the camera with you now?
Yeah, because I need a vlog today, so I'm bringing my camera with me today.
Yay!
The past couple days, Jedi will be like, you want me to get your camera? And I'll be like, no, baby, I already filmed for today. And it's just so cute because he's recognizing me having my camera all the time.
No, Dana. Get it. There, come on, there. Put it down.
I have some of Onyx's clothes to hang up. But before I do that, I'm just getting rid of his newborn because he's outgrowing them. And I want him to feel comfortable. So I'm getting rid of his newborn clothes, sadly. And they lasted him almost 2 months. But now we're moving into 3 months clothes. So I'm just going to go ahead and... He didn't even get to wear this one. This one was in his diaper bag always as like an extra onesie. It could probably fit him.
Somebody on your bed.
Ayla, don't do that. But it's with the feet, like his length is too tight. I recently got a few more pajamas for him. Because I already knew he was outgrowing his newborn clothes, so I'm just kind of going through them and putting them away. And I need to do this to the kids, my other kids' clothes too. This is how I organize his little rack. So I have his pants, his short sleeve onesies, his pajamas, his little short sleeve outfits, all of his long sleeve onesies, his sweaters, like dress up clothes sweaters, and then his like actual sweaters, except this is just like overalls. But that's how I have them organized. So now I'm gonna go through this and hang up the rest of his clothes. Alright, here's my new setup for Onyx's little closet. Alright, so I explained to you how I have this all set up. These are just extra hangers. Alright, in this corner I have all his blankets. Over here I have his socks, little shoes, hat. I have his diapers, toys. Down here I have his bath towels, changing pads, and burp cloths. So this little setup should be good for now. I do have a pile of clothes that don't fit. Like all of his newborn stuff. It's not that much. Honestly, majority of these clothes that I'm already putting back in the storage are from Ayla and Jedediah when they were newborn. So I'm going to be putting this back in the garage and donating whatever I don't want to keep. I am so tired. As you guys saw me going through Onyx's clothes and hanging up his laundry, I ended up going through my other two kids' clothes and I'm exhausted. I ended up taking out their like short sleeves and shorts, and I swapped them, so if they still fit them I just put them in the closet, but if they don't fit them I put them in like the basket to go in the storage, which is just the garage. And then if it was something that was damaged or just something I didn't want, I put it in a donation bin. But if it was destroyed, then I threw it away. So I went through all three of my kids' clothes just now and organized their closets for winter. And I feel like it was the perfect time to do that right before Christmas, just in case they get clothes for Christmas. At least there's somewhere for them to go and I don't have to feel overwhelmed with having to sort out their clothes. This is also a perfect time for me to do this because Pedro's here, so he's with Onyx and I've been with the kids in their room just organizing their clothes. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks because it just looks so much better. Another thing is that it's perfect that they still fit their clothes from last winter. So Ayla is still wearing 12 to 18 months clothes since last year around this time, so she can fit so many of her clothes from last year. And same thing with Jedediah. He still fits a lot of his sweaters and long sleeves from last year, so I'm just pulling them out. So I really just did like a swap. And so I'm not sure if parents usually like rebuy them new clothes for winter, but I'm definitely not doing that. I'll buy a couple pieces here and there, but if they still fit their clothes from last year, then they're still wearing them. So the only person that really needs clothes is Onyx, because as you guys heard me say that he's out of his newborn clothes. And so I did get him new sleepers, like his pajamas, but he doesn't have that many outfits, and I do like to put him in outfits when we go out places, so maybe I'll just find him a couple outfits. So the pajamas that I bought Onyx that I showed you guys were all on sale. So at Target, their Cat and Jack clothing line and the Carter's clothes were all like 30% off, so most of these sleepers were like $5-6, and so that was why I picked them up.
You want to go put it in the trash?
Alright, so this is Jedediah's section. He has all of his sweaters, his long sleeves, and a few short sleeves, and then his pants and sweats. And then here I have his shoes and his house shoes and his boots. Over here is Ayla's. Yes, this is yours, Ayla. I have her jackets and sweaters and her outfits, her long sleeves, and a couple short sleeves. And hers, because of the amount of sweaters and like the bulkiness of it, couldn't fit her pants. So all of her pants and sweats are in this bin. Her shoes and boots. So I actually found some clothes from Ayla's that I can wash and use for Onyx. So for example, this sweater was Jedediah's that got passed down to Ayla, and now Onyx can wear it. It's a size 6 months, and so I'm just gonna rewash it, and then he can wear it for the winter. Same thing with this flannel, 9 months, of vest, that is 9 months, and then like these, like some onesies I found that Ayla was wearing just last winter. 9 months, like little outfit for Onyx. Another pajama set that Ayla used to wear that Onyx can outfit or will be able to wear. So this is 9 months as well. And this is 12 months, but Ayla could still wear this. So. Oh, and then I found some 9-month long sleeve onesies. So it's like shopping in your kids' clothes all over again.
But the moms are going to get. Gone. Why?
Alright, you guys, I'm pretty exhausted. I have no idea what time it is. I haven't seen the clock since, I don't know, when I washed or when I made breakfast, I think. But the last thing I'm gonna do as far as this like house chores that I didn't expect to do is I actually have laundry that I just washed yesterday of mine and Pedro's. I'm gonna go put that away. Baby Moana. Yeah. Baby Moana. Baby Moana. Baby mommy.
Baby mommy.
I was just doing Onyx's area because it's in my room and it was a lot of congestion and disorganization, so I wanted to clear that out and so that I could put away his clothes that were clean. And then I was like, well, while I'm already doing this, I might as well do the other kids. Read it, mommy.
Mommy.
I don't want to read it.
Mom. Mommy. Read it.
Mommy, read it. They were wayfinders, voyagers of the ocean. Grandma Tala's last wish was for Moana to journey across the ocean, find Maui, and restore the heart of Te Fiti. Fiti bloomed once again. The world was back in balance. Moana and Maui said goodbye. Their journey together was complete. Maui transformed into a hawk and flew away. It was time for Moana to return to her people. So I put my sheets to wash and then I put my clean clothes on top of the bed so that I have to put them away before putting on the sheets. I'm ready. I showered and got dressed. I'm about to feed and get Onyx ready, and then we're all ready to go out for the day.
How's it going, guys? So much. Hi. You guys find everything all right? There you go.
Spent way too much time in Costco. I feel like I lost track of time in there. We spent way too much money in there as well. It is 1:30 and we're just now leaving. I think we're gonna head home so Ayla could take a nap and that we can get refreshed and ready for the event later. Alright, you guys, we're back home. I need to put all this stuff that we just got away. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed and enjoy your weekend. I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas once again. Bye.